everyone, good day. For this video, I will be demonstrating chatbots. Chatbots are automated replies for inquiries. For this chatbot, I will be using AppShop. AppShop is the application and it is responsible for the setup and integration for the replies of my Facebook page, KMSC Digital Services. So let's get started. First of all, I am opening my Facebook page, KMSC Digital Services, and click on Message to start chatting. So in here, as you can see, there is a button that Get Started. So let's click on it and let's wait for the reply. So from clicking the button, we have seen an automated reply, and there would be options to choose from: business owner, freelancer, and marketer. First, we choose business owner. So under the business owner, we have other three options, which are the services, the free consultation, and the chat with Crystal. If you are wondering, Crystal is the owner of KMSC Digital Services, and I am also Crystal, so it might be confusing. Anyways, let's click on Crystal's services. By the way, the reply is set up to have a delay of at least 1 second. So there would be templated replies. So free consultation. After clicking free consultation button, it would redirect us to the Calendly. So it is properly set up. And going back, let's choose other options. Let's now choose free consultation. So same thing. It would redirect us to Calendly. And then the last option would be chat with Crystal. So from here, there will be two other options, free consultation and chat is fine. So let's check for the free consultation. So it would still redirect us to Calendly. And for chat is fine, so there would be a message. So we are done with the business owner. So now we choose the freelancer. So again, there are still three options under freelancer. So free consultation, Crystal services, and chat with Crystal. And then this would redirect us to Calendly. For services, an automated reply for a free consultation that will also redirect us to Calendly. And then the last option under freelancer is chat with Crystal. So we have, again, free consultation and chat is fine. So we check on free consultation. And chat is fine. So everything's working. So we now choose the last option for this, the marketer. And let's see the reply below. So again, we have services, free consultation, and chat with Crystal. So we start with services. And then a message, and then a free consultation option that redirect us to Calendly. So checking again the other options, the free consultation, Sing, Calendly, and the last one would be chat with Crystal. So let's see the reply. So again, we have free consultation and chat is. So we choose first free consultation. So it's a discovery meeting for KMSC Digital Services. And then the last option for this get started run is chat is fine. So we have the automated reply. And also we have what we call persistent menu. So it's the four lines on the message box. So when we click on this, we can see free consultation, services, portfolio, and resume. So we check first the free consultation. So we have got the reply and then a free consultation button that redirects us to sorry for the delay, some internet problems. So again, we click on free consultation. That redirects us to Calendly. And then we check the services. So under services, we have a business owner, freelancer, and marketer. So it's the same thing as the above. So if we click on business owner, same set of options will be displayed. So we can have free consultation for business owners and redirects us to Calendly. And then for freelancer, they would have still a free consultation. So basically, this persistent menu, it's just the shortcut from what we have from the first part of our videos. And then we check on our portfolio under persistent menu again. So under portfolio, we have an option to see the portfolio or the resume. So in here, we check the portfolio. So let's wait for a few seconds. And in here, we can see the My Strikingly site of Crystal. And then when we check resume, It is retrieved from the Google Drive. Sorry for the delay, the loading of the connection. So in here we can see it's Crystal resume. It's a one-page resume. So we close, we open to okay, going back to our page. So last option under persistent menu would be the resume. So under resume, it's the same thing with portfolio. So two options, seeing the portfolio, the strikingly page, and then for the resume, it's the Google Drive file, Crystal resume. So we have already discussed persistent and the getting started. So now we clear all our chat history under Crystal's name, and we change the settings under in AppShop under Chatbot, and then get started settings. In here we can see icebreakers, so we will change this to enabled and save. So icebreakers has been enabled successfully. So going back to our Facebook page and start again a message. So in here you might notice on the first part of our video it's get started, but this time we now have how much is your rate, what are your services, and portfolio and resume. So there's our possible questions that you might want to ask the page. So we start with how much is your rate. So there's an automated reply and an option for to check services. So still under services, same with the persistent menu, we have three options, the business owner, freelancer, and the marketer. So under business owner, since we are looking for the services, we would be redirected to free consultation under Calendly. And then let's check the marketer this time. So it's still a free consultation. So we are done with the rate. So let's clear again our chat history and check the other options for the icebreaker. So we're done with how much is your rate. So we have what are your services. For the services, same thing again. We have three options, business owner, freelancers, and marketers. So this time we check the freelancer. So under freelancer, we have the option to consultation under Calendly. A discovery meeting with KMSC Digital Services. And then let's clear it again, the chat, and then the last question for the icebreaker is portfolio and resume. So let's check on it. So under portfolio and resume, we have the option again to check the portfolio and resume. So if we click on portfolio, we will be redirected to strikingly page. And then if we check on resume, we will be redirected to the Google Drive file of Crystal Resume. So we're done with the icebreakers. So you might be wondering, why do we only have to click and click? Is it possible to type in, key in some questions? Yes, you may, depending on what keywords you have set up to your app shop. So let's take, for example, let's type for portfolio. So instead of clicking, we can type. So if this keyword is registered to our app shop, then we can display the information we have in here. So in here, when we typed portfolio, you can see the portfolio and the resume. So let's try rates. So if rates is registered to AppShop, then we can have the automated reply and see the rates. If you remember, this is the first question for our icebreaker. How much is the rate? And um, that's all, I think. So I hope you have learned something. Uh, if you have questions, please leave a comment on this video. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.